Hey, que no me ayan. There we go. This is our first time out on Red Wing in the fall, and here we go. We're out here catching walleyes. Today we're using Bladebait's lipless jigging wraps. All we're doing is vertical jigging. As soon as the jig hits bottom, we're pulling straight up. That's the key to fishing Red Wing, especially right now in fall time. So stay tuned. So what we're doing with these jigging wraps here, we're just throwing them out, letting it sink down, and as it touches bottom, we're gonna pop it right back up, and then let it hit. As soon as it hits, let it pop right back up. And we're gonna follow it going down, keeping the line tight, because usually they hit on that fall. Got it. On the purple one, Billo. Yeah. This feels nice. Feels nice. Yeah. It's not super big. No, it's small. It's tiny. It's tiny. Oh. There we go. On a jigging wrap. That color there is working for me. That's the purple. Looks like sexy shad. It's working really good. Today I'm jigging on the Fox River rods. This is the 7.3 medium heavy. It's my favorite rod out here for walleyes. It's been pretty good for largemouth bass, cranking, but definitely I like it for jigging as well. If you want to get your own, it's going to be JKV10 to get 10% off. So feel free to go ahead and use that discount code. Got it? Is it big? Need that? Nice. Good fight though. There we go. Same size. Dude, this is scary. Once again, I'm using the jigging wrap here. These are the ice jigs, but it definitely works well in the fall, open water as well. And the size I'm using, it's a little bit bigger because you want to have a bigger lure to be able to reach the bottom. That way it can go to the bottom, you can pop it right back up. The lighter ones, they just get carried away in the current. But I'll go ahead and put links down below to the ones that we're using and to all the other favorite colors that I have, especially for Red Wing here. Damn, dude, they like the gold. They got another smaller one. Dude, cool, what the heck? Let's go. Another one. Got it. Yeah. Yep.
Bro. I love.
I think these are 15 inches, aren't they?
Oh, that one might be.
Bladebait. Still decent. Bông lẩu ha, bó chia tủ.
Is that a big size?
Yeah. Put on your hat, huh? Wear your hat. You need that?
A baby.
Oh, really?
Here we go, guys.
How'd that do? Good?
Shoot no lure.
That big one?
Yeah. The net. Move ta. Shoot no lure, because I'm that like up there. Dude, chỉ tẩy lên. Thọ cút lại ngó á. Lúc tao chỉ tẩy lên. No head shake at all. Oh my god. Khô bắt ta. There we go. It's nice. Oh my gosh. A dinosaur? Dinosaur? Got it. So tiny. On the fall, dude. Oh, look.
White bass?
It's a white bass.
What is white bass in here?
Tamo tu, white bass. It's my first one here. Yeah, dude, it's a fish. Ooh, right there, you see it? Walleye. Leave it. Yeah. Don't lift it. Don't lift it anymore.
Good job. Good job. Yeah, they're like a heck of fast action. You want to hold it, Ty?
Oh, smack it.
Ta. Do your own camera, Ta.
What's up, guys? Is he dead?
It's okay.
Show me how to hold him.
Just hold it like that.
Oh,
Hey, finger in
no, I won't hold him. He's dead now.